Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, the daily candle is finished, and what it giving us here in that place. It zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you guys. As you see it here, what it giving us here, it give you here a nice pin bar, guys. Yes or no? And where is it, that pin bar? Look at it. Forget about the past and everything. Look at that place here. What it's indicating to you? That a peak. Yes or no? From here, the last time, the price of the Bitcoin, it moved up. Now you are in it. Yes or no, guys? So that pin bar here, it's indicating you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, and it might from here, the Bitcoin is going to go higher, guys. Yes or no? So what should you do, guys? And look here. Look, forget about the past. As we just talking about here, about what we got here. It's a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. The volume down is very low, guys. There is no one buying. So what should you do, guys? Here in the daily, there is nothing to do. Just wait till all those things we show you in the previous videos to be broken, guys. Here in the daily, there is nothing confirmed. Everything still the same in the daily, guys. It might, you're going to see the Bitcoin do it like that, then after that to drop. You don't know what's going to bring for you the future, guys. So that way also we're telling you, it's not yet in the daily. In the daily, nothing clear yet. Everything is too clear here. Let me show you my chart, what I got me. And my chart, as you see it, guys. What we got here. What we got that one, that white one here. That one is the long-term trend, as you see it here and here a lot of times. And that one also being followed from 2014. And every time the Bitcoin it used to touch it, it showed a rejection, then it went up. But this time, or this down cycle, when it came to it, he couldn't stay above it, then he went up, then now look where we are down the net. That meant this year there is something not right. And here, as you see it, that one is a down channel. Even that one we started from 2021, guys, and as you see it, every time the Bitcoin it came to it, it touched it, then it fell down. Now even here, that yellow level here, by the way, that one also we being followed a lot of times, as you see it. Now it's being broken here. Now either that one to come back to that level here, that yellow level as we got, then it's going to fall down more, guys. Or another story, because as I tell you before, also we are very close to the halving cycle, guys. And a lot of economical people, they're talking about 2023 is going to change. The inflation is going to, actually it's the MFI, we said it. It said the global inflation now is 8.8, and they said in 2023 is going to become at 6. That's when the inflation is going to start going down. That's why me I told you we are very close, but not yet, guys. Everything is too clear here, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscribed to our channel? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos. So like that, you are going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin or the crypto market in general doing. Because if you follow in the Bitcoin, forget about others, what they're telling you. If you follow the Bitcoin, all the other cryptocurrencies, they follow Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin going higher, you're going to see everything going up. If the Bitcoin falling, you're going to see everything is falling, guys. Because all the cryptocurrency, they are correlated to the Bitcoin, guys. You done it? Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment, guys. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see the coming news for tomorrow, guys, for the picture should be more clear to you. As you see here, guys, not the coming news for tomorrow. As you see it, we got a lot of news for UK. As you see it here, majority of them for UK. And what we got for USA, that PPI of month September. Then we got President Lagarde of the ECB or European Central Bank. She's going to speak. Then we got that one short-term energy outlook for USA, and that one is going to come negative, because as you know the problems they face in the world now about the energy. Then we got the FOMC minute or Federal Reserve minute. They are going to talk or make a decision what they are going to do for interest rate, guys. So make a close eye at those ones. That way the chart they giving us the pin bar, guys. So it might tomorrow you're going to see the Bitcoin going higher. Everything is too clear here, guys. And here our friend We're looking at it every day, guys. Is that one, if you remember it. For people that are new, that one, that table, also we saw it every day. And we came to that page web here every day. By the way, that page web is investing.com. You can follow your portfolio and the coming news on those things. By the way, that's not our topic. As you see, guys, here, the US dollar, it reached 113, guys. It's too high. Let's hope we're going to see a peak going down now. And what we got else here is our friend, that one, guys, the VIX. How much is it? 33.63, guys. Also, we are going to 34, guys. Shall you buy now? Only if you are mad and you don't know what you're doing, you can buy now. The VIX, it's man, the scariness and danger in that market is too high and the volatility is too high, guys. You could buy now and the market went down on you and you lose more than you afford, guys, to lose. No one can buy now. No one can buy. And our friend here, the Nasdaq, which is correlated to the Bitcoin, guys, is it red today? Yes or no? So all US stocks, they are red, unless the Dow Jones, as you see it. And that one, because it's got a lot of energy in it, and energy, they making serious money those days. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it. By the way, I know you are a subscriber to our channel. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Smashing the like button, helping us, guys. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You see us, we stopping all those scams, they being commenting down same faves, they try to send you to all those places. Also, we block all the accounts of them. And by the way, me are benefiting from them. Like other people, how they live them, because they're benefiting from them, they give them views on those things. But me, because of you guys, I stop all of them. So please support us. Support us by just liking the video, writing for us down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, when it touch here, it fall down till that level where we are. And here in that level where we are, look with me very close here. What you seeing, guys? Look here, look here, look here, look here. Look all those places, guys. And now you are in it. What that indicating? That level is very stronger level, guys. Yes or no? So it might from here, the Bitcoin is going to go higher, guys. Till here maybe. Till that wall here. We're going to confirm for us if we are going to go higher or no. Is our other indicator, guys. So let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you guys. Our other indicator, guys, what it's saying here. If you remember us, we said here, we got a divergence and we say all those things. But what should we told you, guys? We told you it's not yet. We told you always if it came and breaking for us here. That's the right time for us to enter. Did it break it? Not yet, guys. Not yet. And that's why us we put in every day, guys, 2 videos to update you. So when there is a signal, we'll tell it to you here. So if you are not subscriber, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's very simple. It will not take you even 1 second. A red button down, click at it. You're going to be subscribed. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. Done. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, when you put in something new, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. Because YouTube is taking some time to send you a notification. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours, guys, to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, guys, look what the Bitcoin giving you here. In that place, here, guys, what it giving you? A W. Yes, you are right, my friend. Give you here a W. Should you buy now? Not yet. Hasn't break the last high. And the W, it's not yet confirmed, my friend. How to know if is it a W or no? You came here, you change him from candle to a line, my friend, like that. You see it now or no? It's look to you a W here. As you see it now, very clear here. Yes or no? Where is the peak of it? Is it that one? If that one breaking here, you enter long, my friend. Remember my word. If it's breaking there, you enter long. Let's back in now to the candles. Here, as you see, my friend, the last video we be in, we're telling you that level here. And we told you that candle here. All those things, we said it in the last video, guys. And what the Bitcoin couldn't do. Let's zoom it a little bit to explain to you those things. Look with me close, guys, here. At the last low, which is here. Yes or no? Look what the Bitcoin done. He came up till here. Then he went down till there. Yes or no? And what I told you in the last video about that candle, that one, who give us here that pin bar here. What did I told you about it? I told you us who trade every time. We know market makers, they know normal people, they enter from here. They put pending orders from that supply and demand zone we told you, and they put in the stop loss of them down. So then they using that candle, that one, they call it stop loss hunter. They try to hunt in here the stop loss. They are here, guys. Then after that, the Bitcoin, it will go higher, guys. That's why sometimes you see some people, they predict the direction right, but the stop loss of them, it's being hit before the market move, guys. Yes or no? And look here, guys, in that zone here, what you seeing? Bitcoin is go up. He tried here to break, but he couldn't. And that red candle here, that one, it show a rejection from down. Yes or no? Look at it, very clear rejection here. Then it came next to it, that green candle. If you just want to trade only by candles, guys, without price action, what you got here? You got there an inside bar, guys. Yes or no? That one is an inside bar. Forget about that one. What you got here? Another inside bar, guys. And that one, if that candle came and break in here, you enter long, guys. Stop loss of you put it down here. And here, as you see it, guys, he tried to give us here a W. It's not yet complete, but if it finished and came and breaking for us that last high, which is here, the top of that peak here, and it came a candle like that and closing above it, you enter long, guys. Remember my word. Where is going to be the take profit of you guys? Here, why there? Because look at the 200 moving average, guys. What it's telling you? I show you all those things before, but it's okay to repeat it because I know some people, they just came, guys. What the 200 moving average telling you, guys? What else we said about the market structure, guys? We said a downtrend, a resting, or a sideways, or ranging, or name it, whatever way you want. Then after that, either going up or another drop, guys. Also here, that resting where we are now, where it's coming from? Coming from a downtrend, guys. Yes or no? And also here, we are resting in that level. In that level, what you seeing? Look, Bitcoin go higher, fall down. It will go higher, then it's going to fall down. And here the same thing, guys. Look at it. Go higher, fall down. Now it go higher, fall down. I think from that level where we are now, we are going to go higher, guys. Maybe till here. Everything is too clear here, guys. Now, should you buy, should not? Not yet, guys. Not yet. Because that week is going to come the CPI of USA, guys. And I'm going to come to you by a video, guys. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So when there is a video, you're going to be updated. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators, what they saying for pictures to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, look at it. What you see in here. Give you here a W very clear here in our indicator, guys. You see it or not? It's a very, very, very clear W. And I got in other indicators. We give us here a divergence. I'm going to show it to you when we came to 30 minutes, guys. That's why I told you every time watching the whole video, guys. Now, what should you do, my friend? Nothing. Here, there is nothing. It hasn't broken yet. The top here hasn't broken there. I'm going to come back to you tomorrow. Maybe when we came back in another video, we're going to find it breaking, guys. Everything is too clear here. It's our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, what we said here, the last video. We said we enter here to the oversold area. And by the way, also we enter short from here. People, they just came now. And here we're taking the profit. The last video, I tell you, take profit, guys. Yes or no? Now what should we do, guys? We are at the oversold area. We got a price action here at W. Yes or no? If it's breaking higher, we enter long, guys. Stop loss. Where are we going to put it? Down in that level? Here. That one? Here, guys. Remember my word. Down in that peak here. To stay safe, guys. You can put it even down in that one, but you will not be safe. And what did I told you here about the long-term trend? I told you got that one. Yes or no? I told you if it came and break in here, you enter long, guys. Yes or no? All those things, they still in our channel, guys. Because here you got, look at it, a very clear triangle, guys. If it came here and breaking here, will enter long, take profit. It needs to be here, guys. Here at the top here. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. By the way, did you smash the like button? I know you haven't. Go now and do it, my friend. Smash the like button, writing down a comment, please. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Look at the divergence I told you me. Look, from here to here. You got a very clear divergence here in 30 minutes, guys. And is it even in the 4 hours if you're using other indicator, guys? Should you buy now? Not yet, my friend. Look here, what I try to give you guys here. In 30 minutes, I try to give you here a triple bottom. And what else we said in the last video, if you've been with us, guys. Last video, what else we said here about 30 minutes? We said like that, and we said we came from that peak, that one, and we draw it like that. A wage. Yes or no? That's what also we said in the last video. You can find it still in our channel, guys. What we said, when it's going to break here, we enter long. Did it break? Not yet, guys. Haven't break here. When it's going to be breaking here, guys, we will enter long. Take profit. I tell it to you. First one, it needs to be here at the one, guys. Second one here, and you start follow it by the stop loss, and when our indicator that one reach here to the overbought, you take the profit, guys. By the way, to get that indicator is very simple. There is one video here in our channel, his name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to the description of that video, you're going to find that indicator. And even in that video, we show you how to install it, how to do everything, my friend. And if you facing any problem, just contact me. By the way, also in the video after New York opening, we put in a live video. So that time, if you want to chat to us, you can chat to us here in YouTube. And if you're facing any problem, you just tell it to us and we will sort out it for you, my friend. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after New York opening. Bye for now, guys.